Good morning, my viewers. Here I am back at the property, and I'm going to put some insulation here. Alright, well, yeah, here I am using some, I guess, used insulation. It's, there's nothing wrong with used insulation as long as it's good, and this is still good. So, like I was saying, I mean, if you're here to watch me use a bunch of brand new materials and brand new fancy tools, you're in the wrong place, because I'm here to show what I'm doing to make this mobile home whole again, and not to make it brand new. I mean, it's a 1984 Fleetwood, I think it is, and it's just not ever going to be new without spending a fortune. This is the second panel going up now. There's putting these panels up wasn't really difficult or anything, but if you notice, they don't seem to really be lining up, and that could be probably because the mobile home is kind of cocky-wampus or something like that a little bit. I mean, I would actually have to make a lot of adjustments, which I'm not about to do, to the mobile home to fix that problem. So the objective here really is to frame up the mobile home, okay, back to where it pretty much was when before the previous owners had hacked it up, and then put in the siding like I'm doing right now. I know I have a big gaping hole there where the entrance to the addition was, but I'm going to frame it up from the inside. Now I'm going to have to trim up the siding, and then so I can put in the drip edge at the top, and also the trim at the bottom. Now here I'm rerunning some of this wiring so that I can run it to where the wiring is not going to be getting pinched by the siding after it gets installed in that spot. Woo, look at there, Mama Squirrel just jumped out.
That's what it is. Squirrel.
Yeah. Baby squirrel I found inside the wall. So the mama squirrel, I guess, just jumped out of there as I was taking the tarp down. So yeah, the baby squirrel, actually there were two baby squirrels, and what I did was I didn't touch the baby squirrels in any way. I used my shovel to pick them up out of the insulation where the nest was, and then I set the baby squirrels into the woods so that the mama squirrel can go get them. Well, I guess that she got them because I came I went back the following day and they were not there. Hopefully Mama Squirrel just went and got her babies and everybody lived happily ever after. I just couldn't keep the squirrels inside the mobile home, you know. I mean, I always feel bad when I uncover like a nest or something like that. I mean, there's nothing much else I can do. Finally, the last of the big pieces of siding. This was a job that kind of worked out in the long run, really. Even though it looks like it's not level the way it's going in there, but it really is. It's just kind of strange the way that everything worked out. You'll see how I know it's levels because of the way I was able to overlap the far left end over of the siding so that it tied right in.
I got tying the corner here.
So that's what I'm doing here is I'm tying in the siding on the corner there. So you see everything worked out good. It's kind of odd how things don't really look even on the top and the bottom, but that's okay. That's what they make tin shears for. I mean, it's gonna be easy to cut that. I could probably cut it with a razor blade as thin as this stuff is, and it's aluminum. We'll see how I can just shear it. I got the corner in there pretty good, okay, I think. So now I gotta see what I can do with this spot right up there. I'd like to cover that. Now, I went ahead and did that little spot off camera. I'm not real proud of that scene. There isn't much else I can do about that because I didn't have the big enough piece that would work in that spot. So I'll have to do that over again another time when I have the materials.
Got quite a bit done that